Welcome to the Breaking Bad Season 3, Episode 13. With Full Measure, the explosive season finale brings Walter and Jesse closer to death than ever before. Written and directed by Vince Gilligan, this episode serves as a dramatic end to Season 3 and sets the stage for an even darker future. The episode opens with a flashback to the years before Walter White became Heisenberg. Walter and Skylar are expecting their first child and looking at what will eventually become the home of the White family. Walter dreams big, believing that he can achieve more in life than they currently have. This moment provides an amazing contrast with the person he has become. Lately, Walter is faced with the consequences of Gus Fring killing two street dealers. Gus is very angry. But instead of immediately terminating Walter, he offers a temporary solution. Walter can continue cooking meth, but Jesse must disappear forever. Walter agrees on the surface, but quickly realizes that Gus has already been preparing an alternative. That replacement is Gale Boetticher. Gus starts testing Gale's ability to run this super lab on his own. Gale has learned enough from Walter to eventually take over production. For Walter, that is terrible news. The moment Gale can produce a product of the same quality, Walter becomes irrelevant. And those who are irrelevant in Gus Fring's organization don't survive for long. Mike Ehrmantraut is searching for Jesse, who has vanished into hiding. Jesse is aware that Gus is always on the go and that he wants her dead. Walter is frantically trying to come up with a plan. He makes an effort to talk to Gus and claims that Gale isn't ready yet, but it soon becomes apparent that Gus has already made up his mind. As the pressure mounts, Mike takes Walter into custody. Walter finally understands this fact. As soon as Gale will be able to work freely, Gus intends to murder her. Walter's life is measured in hours, not days. With no other option left, Walter made a frantic phone call to Jesse. Walter tells Jesse that the only way he can survive is to finish Gale. If Gale dies, Gus loses his alternate alchemist. Walter immediately becomes valuable again, causing Gus to have to keep him alive. Jesse initially refuses. Gale is not a criminal mastermind or violent killer. He's just caught up in the wrong business. But Walter reminds Jesse that both of their lives depend on what happens next. Tension reaches its peak when Mike takes Walter to his execution. Walter stops for time and desperately tries to distract Mike while Jesse races into Albuquerque. At the last minute, Walter mentioned that Jesse was headed to Gale's apartment. This realization immediately strikes Mike and Victor. Their abilities have already been exhausted. Victor rushes to stop Jesse, but he arrives too late. The final scene of the episode is one of the most shocking moments in the series. Gale opens her apartment door and sees Jesse standing there with a gun, afraid. Gale begs for his life. Jesse is emotionally distraught about what he's going to do, but he knows there is no turning back. As Jesse pulled the trigger, the screen went black. Season 3 ended with one of television's most memorable events. The second, Full Measure, meets the themes presented in the previous episode perfectly. Walter finally took on the ruthless mentality necessary to survive in Gus Fring's world. By choosing full measures instead of half measures, Walter crossed another moral line, causing Jesse to slip further into darkness. That's all for today. Season 3 of the drama series Breaking Bad wants to end here. Subscribe my YouTube channel to watch next Season 4 and take good care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.